Today we are going to learn how we can combine data from different sheets into a single sheet in Microsoft Excel using Power Query. Why Power Query? Because with the help of Power Query, we can do this task within a few steps and within a few seconds. So let's get started. Here we have the three sheets in which we have different balances for the vendors. For example, in first sheet we have advance payment to the vendors. If we see how many vendors we have here, we have around 100 vendors for which we have advance balance. If we go to the second sheet, we have here invoice payable balance for each of these vendors. If we check for this sheet as well, we have around 90 vendors for which we have invoice payable balance. Now, if we go to the third sheet, we can see here we have here negative balances or accrued balance for all the vendors. That is, we have received items or services, but we have not yet received the invoices. So we have booked the balance payable to these vendors. If we check in this sheet as well, we have total 65 vendors for which we have accrued balance in our books. Let's say if we want to combine data from all these three sheets to find out that for each of these vendors, either we have advance payment or we have some amount payable to the vendor. How we can do this using the Power Query? It's very simple. The first step is we will change each of these dataset into table. For that, we can simply use shortcut key Control T. Create table window will appear. We will click on OK. Instantly, dataset will be converted into table. We can change name of the table from here. In table design, we can see below the table name, and for advanced balances, let's say we can write here advance underscore balances. Enter. Now we can go to the second sheet. Same we will do here. Control T shortcut key. Click on OK. Instantly dataset will be converted into table. In table design, we can change name here invoice underscore table. Enter. Now third sheet, same step, Control T shortcut key, click on OK, change the table name. This time accrued balance, enter. So now we have three tables here. Now we can go to data tab. We can click on from table or range. Once we click on table or range, Power Query editor will open. Here we can see all the vendors with amount and advance payment in remarks. We can go to the bottom and we can see if everything seems okay. We can go to home tab, click on close and load. Once we click on close and load, a new sheet will appear. That is actually the data has been loaded under query. Same we will do for second and third sheet. For second sheet again, we can go to data tab, click on table or range. Power Query editor will open. Here we can see all the vendor names, amount, invoice payable. If everything seems okay, we can go to home tab, close and load, and this data set will be loaded in query as well. For third sheet or third table again, data tab, table or range. Once we click on from table or range, Power Query editor will open. We can go through the data if everything seems okay. Again go to home tab, close and load, and instantly this dataset will be loaded to the query as well. So now we have here three dataset or three tables that are loaded to the query. Now to combine these datasets, what we need to do, again go to data tab, go to get data, combine queries, click on append. Here you can select if you have two tables or more than two tables. As here we have three tables, we can click on this option, three or more tables. From here, we can select the tables that we want to append. Invoice payable is already here. Advanced balances, we can move to here. Accrued balances, we can move or add here. Click on OK. Power Query editor will open. If we go down, we can see that data from all those three tables is here. Invoice payable balances, if we go down, we can see here advance payments. If we go further down, we can see here accrued balances. Now we will go to home tab again, close and load. And here Data from all those tables has been combined in one place. Now to summarize the data, we can go to Insert tab, click on Pivot Table, click on OK. A new sheet has been created. We can give name to this sheet as Pivot Table. We will drop vendor name under rows, amount under values. As we want to summarize, we want to see how much advance balance, how much invoice payable, how much accrued balance, and then we want to see the total. So remarks we can put under columns, and here we have for each of the vendor how much total accrued balance, how much advance payment, and how much invoice payable. And here we have net amount or grand total of these three balances. For example, the first vendor, Advance Construction International, we have advance balance with this vendor or supplier 944.76. Similarly, for second vendor, if we see, if we combine these three balances, here we have the balance payable to this vendor 1977.47. Similarly, if we can go down, we can see balance payable or advance balance for each of the vendors. We can also arrange it. We can right click, sort. Let's say we can sort from smallest to largest. Here we can see on top the highest balance payable to the vendor. Then if we go down, we can see the balances receivable or advance balances to the vendors. So friends, this is how Power Query help us to analyze our data by combining data from different sheets into a single sheet. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to share this knowledge with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.